ice cold. Driving a coupe with you. That's just a vision I have, and I take you to destinations that you need to be. Attending events you got going on. Celebrating all your victories.
Effortless comes to mind when I think about you. Effortless comes to mind.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Subrena. If you are not new to this but you're true to this, welcome back to another video. So today we are here with a install video. Now first of all, y'all get into this scalp, like real scalp, okay? Get into it. Super huge thank you to Yolissa Hair for sponsoring today's video. Y'all know I've been tussling with the wig game for a while, but this year, new tricks, new tips, all of that, okay? And I'm coming for y'all. Minimal enhancements, okay? Literally, it's just like one product enhancements to get this scalp situation that we got going on, but the wig comes styled like this, edges come laid like this, okay? Part, like, absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful unit, like straight out the box. Beautiful. And if you want to find out more details on this gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful hair, then just keep on watching. So again, super huge thank you to Yolissa Hair for sponsoring today's video. This is how you will receive your unit if you order from them. Your bag will tell you everything that's going on with your exact unit. You will also get some goodies per usual, some lashes, some wig caps. You will have a satin headband scarf, the melting band, edge brush, and a satin bag to store your wig. You get everything you need for your install. So this is the hair fresh out of the box, and as you can see, it has these gorgeous, gorgeous curls already in there, already come styled. This is the hairline. As you can see, it is plucked really well. It has a super natural finish, and it's already bleached as well. So this is what it looks like. This is what the knots look like against my skin tone, fresh out the box, no foundation, no anything. It's already pre-cut for you as well. So this wig does come with a wig band on the inside, and as you can see, it has these jelly structures, and this helps your wig stay in place so it can truly be glueless and not go anywhere. It comes with 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 on the back, and the normal 2 drawstrings that comes on a wig. So I wanted to install the wig fresh out of the box so you guys can see what it comes looking like before I do anything at all. This is what it will look like. So obviously you would just, tint your lace to match your skin tone. But this is what it looks like fresh out the box. And I'm showing you the ear tabs. These come with it already cut out for you, so it fits perfectly on your head. It's not squishing your ears or anything like that. It has the perfect cutout. This is the lace. As you can see, the hairline is plucked to perfection. Again, everything is truly done for you. You just have to basically do your lace to match your skin tone. So today I wanted to try out something new, and this is a wig grid concealer. I will have this link down below. I got it from Amazon. I watched a few videos on it, and I was like, okay, because everything else is pretty much done for you, but to get that like really coming out of your scalp look, I was really interested. So I was like, let me try it out. I know it looks a little bit scary right here. It was my first time doing it. I definitely did apply a little bit too much product, but what I did is I just went in, because you're supposed to go in, really smooth the product into the lace grid, and that's what's going to make the lace basically disappear and gives you that scalp look. So I just parted in between the hair, smooth it out with the back of the comb, then I will go in and comb out the hair out of the product. But in the end, after everything was said and done, this is what it looked like. And y'all, look at that. There's no lace. It's all scalp. It looks like it's coming out of my skin. Like, I was so impressed. So here I'm just cutting off those extra tabs on the side. I'm lining everything up, making sure, it's how I like it. If there's any excess lace that's just not doing it for me, I'm removing it. But this is what it looks like after I finish cutting everything off. I'm gonna go back in with a concealer that's basically my contour shade or bronzer shade to go on the very edges of the lace so it can be a seamless blend from the wig concealer to my skin. And I'm just gonna work that in and really blend it in. And what I like about this concealer, this wig grade concealer, is kind of like a little bit tacky, so it kind of actually helps like blend into your skin even more. But I just wanted to make sure it's going to be a really good blend. So here I'm just going in with my Eben spray, and I'm just using a tiny amount. As you can see, I'm just spraying it on the back of this and basically just putting it at the very like edges of the lace, just to melt that in my skin to really give it that like seamless look. And I really had this on all of probably like 5 minutes, not even gonna lie. It didn't even dry down all the way. But it's perfect because I took it off. I was able to comb out the hair so it can get like a really natural flowy look, not that paste down look. And yeah, I was so surprised at how easy this was to install, and just the end result, you would have thought I was really in the kitchen cooking for this wig. You see what I'm saying? But it was just this easy. So for my closure wigs, I love doing the baby hairs just on the very edge where the lace meets the wefted hair, and I just feel like it just gives like a more seamless like transition from the lace to the weft, and it kind of gives it like that illusion of it's either a full lace wig or it's just your hair, you know. It extends the hairline like another inch or so. So I like doing it, and I really love the 5x5 closures because the baby hairs are not like right on your forehead, so it just even looks more natural. But this is the final result of this wig. I am absolutely loving this 5x5 closure wig. Again, it comes to you with everything done. Like, you can't beat that. Yo, this is giving scalp. Like, this looks so good. Oh my gosh, this looks so freaking good. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is the finished install. Like, y'all, cause y'all know me, I love a natural look, and this is giving scalp. Y'all, not me getting better at wigs. For the girls that just knew how to like plug and bleach and just do all that to perfection, like, shout out to y'all. But things like this help people like me out, because I'm not her. But baby, you can't tell me I'm not a professional. So you guys saw, like, fresh out the box, the wig was already gorgeous. Like, the hairline first of all only even looks this natural because it was already pre-plucked. If it would have been a super thick hairline, baby, it would have been given wig. But it was pre-plucked, already pre-bleached, so they already like helped you out anyways. If you didn't want to do this extra step, all you had to do was like just tint your lace and you would have been good. But I really wanted to come for y'all, okay? I was like, but I need to learn how to really like lay and slay lace. And this, I'm gonna have this link down below, because this is a game changer. It's a little pricey for this little tube, but baby, it's worth it, okay? It's worth it. Now let's get into this hair, because the install, I did that with install, okay? But this hair, beautiful. First of all, as you can see, it comes styled. So if you order this and you are really wanting something like fresh out the box style and go, it comes style. This is the first time I've ever seen body wave hair actually comes with like true curls. Like, they put curls in this. Like, after they plucked your hairline for you, they bleached the knots for you, then they went in and styled the hair for you. They actually gave you like some curls. So for the girls that don't know how to curl, it's okay, because your wig is gonna come style when you first get it. Now when you wash it, you're gonna have to learn how to curl. But fresh out the box, they got y'all. Like, this is, and I love the length, y'all. It's such a natural length. Like, this is the perfect wig. This is the perfect wig. I don't need no other wig. I don't need no other wig. They did that. I don't know how long these curls have been in here, but baby, they're here to stay. So this is what the length is. Look at Zoe, y'all. Why your kids won't ever let you be great? Can you let me finish filming my video? Okay guys, so apparently my dog's adorable little face distracted me and I completely forgot to film an outro. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you like the install, you like the unit. I will have all of the links and details for this hair down below with any coupon codes that I have for y'all. And until next time, bye y'all.